What is up, guys? So this is a 2007 Ford Escape Hybrid. So let's say you've gone on a vacation and you came back and you tried to start your car, and it would start for a few seconds and then dies, and then it shows a message on the screen saying stop safely now, and you keep trying to start it and it just dies on you. So you got one of two problems. One, I think your 12-volt battery in the front of the hood has probably gone down in charge, so you want to charge that up first to 100%. And if it's still trying to do the same thing when you start it, I'm gonna show you guys the button that you need to press to recharge your hybrid battery pack. So it's the jump start button. So basically you gotta open this side right here. So there's a cover right here. You just take this cover out, and there's the button right here. So you want to press this until it lights up steady like that. Make sure the key is out of the ignition and everything, and then this should just be steady light. So just press that and then wait for it. It takes about a few minutes or so for it to turn off, and then you press it again. So keep doing it a few times, and then after that you should be able to start your car and it should stay running and it will start charging itself. So right now, after I've done that a few times, because basically what happened is the battery pack state charge was well below 2%. So right now it's been charging and it's at 23.6 now, and I guess it's just running. Alright, so 2007 Ford Escape Hybrid. How to jump start your hybrid battery pack.